In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code for a location on your mobile. So we need to start by heading over to the Google Maps application and then just choosing and selecting a point on the map that you want to create a QR code for. So once you've found your location, simply select it on the map to create a pin. And once you have a pin set to the location that you want to make this QR code for, this is going to bring up this drop-down menu. Now from the drop-down, we need to scroll across all the way to the right-hand side and select Share, and then press Copy link. Now that we have the link copied, you can head out of this window, head over to an internet browser, and then from a search engine, type in QR code monkey and hit enter. Then we just need to click on this top search result, which is qrcodemonkey.com. Then in the URL section, we're going to get rid of this default URL and paste in the Google Map listing. Then click on done. And if you want to change the colors and customize the design, you can actually do that as well here. But I'm just going to leave this as the default settings and then scroll down to the bottom, click on create QR code, and then finally press download PNG. Then just give that a few seconds while it downloads to your device. Click on the download button, and then click on the downloads icon in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Select downloads, and then you can open up your QR code, and we can now send this to whoever we need to share the location with. So you can do that by clicking on the share icon in the bottom left-hand side, and we can share this directly to our contacts. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.